out the start. Body is long gone. Lori. Troy? Oh, sorry about that. A horrible mistake, but I'll remember it before she gets back. Thank you. Lori John. Lady Liberty. Number 911. This ain't even a race. Started out like one, but uh-oh, a lot of blue smoke, and that is an expensive sign. It looks like the smoke stopped, and that's not even a good sign either. Sort of expected him to go into the pits, but he did not. Here's Lori. All the way. Still in the running for the Budweiser Cup. And if we hadn't even seen them in the area, they just left out. Here's the farm on it. I have a horrible feeling that cloud of blue smoke back there was not a good sign for